Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, I will share my presentation. Okay, I'll give information how about Trihita Karana. Okay, Om Swastiastu, it's our greeting. Okay, Trihita Karana, our life concept for peace. Trihita Karana is a concept, our teaching in Hindu, that always emphasizes how between others can live side by side, greet each other. There is no ripple of hatred, full of tolerance and full of peace. Trihita Karana can be interpreted lexically, which means three causes of welfare. This term is taken from the word tri, which means tree, hita, which means balance or prosperity, and karana, which means the cause. These three things are parhyangan, pawongan, and palemahan. Application of Trihita Karana in the lives of Hindu so far is follows. The relationship between humans and their Lord is realized with the Dewa Yajna. Human relations with the nature of environment, which is realized with Bhuta Yajna. Human relation with the human other relates with Pitra Yajna. In fact, this relationship is far from that. For example, parhyangan can be realized by maintaining cleanliness, beauty, and purity in the temple, and nature is also a form of our service relationship with Hyang Widi. With Shraddha and Bhakti is offer yajna and prayers to God Almighty, performing punya offering without any sense of string attached. Do tirtayatra to places that can lead to the values of holiness. Caring for others, especially when there is brothers being hit by a disaster. As a person who can always be role model, become a suluh for others. It must at least be able to be a suluh for ourselves first. Diligent talking, virtue combined by real action. Nature around or our environment is our mirror that is the closest form of caring for nature. The environment looks beautiful, clean, neatly arranged, meaning we can realize this Trihita Karana. Okay, that second, pawongan. Pawongan comes from the word Javanese language or Kawi language, which means people. Pawongan is a matter of people related to people and one people's lives. In a narrow sense, pawongan is a group of people who live in the one region. As a social creature, human cannot live alone. They need help and cooperate with others. Because of that, the relationship between others must always be good and harmony. Relationship between humans must be arranged the basis of mutual sharpening, mutual and care for each other, which means respecting each other, loving and guiding each other. Relationship between families at home must be harmony. Relation with other communities must always be harmony. This good relationship will create security and inner peace in society. A safe and peaceful society will create a peaceful and prosperous country. And the last, third, palemahan. Palemahan comes from the word lemah from Javanese language, which means land. Palemahan also means buwana or nature. In a narrow sense, the palemahan means the area of a settlement or residence. Human lives in a particular environment. Humans get the necessities of life from their environment. Humans are very dependent on their environment. Therefore, humans must always pay attention to the situation and condition of the environment. The environment must always be maintained and not damaged. The environment must always be clean and neat. The environment should not be littered or damaged. Forests should not be cut down all. Animals should not be hunted arbitrarily because it can disturb the balance of nature. Just environment must be maintained neatness, harmony, and suitability. The environment arranged neatly and cleanly will create beauty. The beauty of environment can cause a sense of calm and peace in human. Okay, that's the I explained Trihitakarana. Thank you for watching. See you on next information. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.